Hi, this is Jennifer Menza, and usually I do videos on my growing out my pixie cut, but this is going to be a little bit different today. In the past I did do Weight Watcher videos, and so those videos will be coming back because I joined Weight Watchers on, I think it was Sunday, and I got the monthly pass, which is the online and the workshops, and I go to the workshop on Saturday at 8:30. I have lost like 2.8 pounds already. I started eating healthier. I started. You have to excuse that noise. That's my son running around. I started eating healthier. I have like a pedal cycler, like what people use under their desk. And I started with 10 minutes, then I went to 15 minutes, and then I went to a half an hour today. I did that because I hadn't exercised in a long time. And then I stretched myself out, and then I've been upping my water because I was only drinking like 4 glasses of water, and so now I'm up to 6 glasses of water, and I've been been trying to lower my calories, which they do is instead of calories they do points. And so I had been on my MyFitnessPal, but it wasn't working because I would get to my calorie limit between 1,200 and 1,500, and then I would keep on eating. So now that I've been doing the points, I've been like labeling all my food so that I know all the points. And I tried to lower my breakfast, because I was eating the oatmeal packs, and those were 6 points. I was using the Truvia and Splenda honey, and that was about 4 points. So that was making my breakfast 10 points, and so I lowered it to, I think I lowered it to 5 points today. And that worked out. And then I had some chicken and green beans for lunch and dinner. It's not dinner yet, but I had that for lunch, and that helped me out. And so that left 5 smart points, and then so I can have. I think I'm gonna have some almonds. And then there's 0-point foods, so I had been having some eggs and some apples, because when I was doing MyFitnessPal, was eating unhealthy, and I was eating a lot of Hot Pockets. And when I went on Weight Watchers, those Hot Pockets were 11 points, and so I had to cut those out because that was making me have no points for snacks or anything. And so I had to really get that out, all the processed foods. And so now I'm eating a lot healthier. And chicken breasts and things are 0 points under. Now I haven't got any chicken breasts, but I had some chicken legs, and so those are about 4 or 5 points under the smart points. So when I go to the grocery store, I'm going to use my scanner to check out and see what points things are that I'm about to purchase. So it seems to be going well. The first day I got on the scale, I had lost I think 2 pounds, and then today I lost. The first day I didn't lose anything, and then yesterday I lose 2 pounds, and then today I lost 0.8. And so I haven't gone to the workshop in a long time. It used to be called meetings, and I haven't gone to the workshop, so I don't know if they weigh you there or do you weigh yourself on the digital app. I still will be making videos about growing out my pixie cut. As you can tell, I blew it out, and I was able to curl it with the small curling iron. I used some serum and everything, which made it not so dry. So it made it not so dry. I'm looking forward to the it's called WW Wellness That Works, and when I signed up, I'm getting a free cookbook, and I think it's Oprah Winfrey's cookbook. So I'm excited about that, so I can try some of the recipes. I think that's about it so far. But I will come back to you after I weigh in to see how much I've lost. Tomorrow I think I'm going to go up on the pedaling. It's called a pedaling boat, or that's what they call it when I track it. But because I had to call in to Weight Watchers to see how to track it, because I was looking for pedal cycling and all this, and so the Weight Watchers people told me to track it under pedal boat, and so it was only 1 point for 15 minutes, and today it was 3 points for a half an hour. And so I don't eat the points, it just goes towards my weight loss, because I think I'm supposed to get 15 activity points, but I don't know if I'll be able to get that unless I continue to up the activity points on the pedal thing. But I have something wrong with my feet. It's called plantar fasciitis, and so I don't know if my feet's going to be able to let me pedal for that long, or I might have to pedal and take a break and then come back at another time. Well, comment, rate, and subscribe.